Hello, my name is Tom, I'm a marine biologist, and today I'm at the Daintree Rainforest. So the Daintree Rainforest, which is in northeastern Queensland, Australia, is the oldest rainforest in the world. It's 180 million years old, which makes it a very, very special ancient place. It once covered all of Australia, and over the years, has receded to about 1,000th the size. So although it's still very big, it's a lot smaller than it was, but this beach actually is even where they filmed Skull Island. And as you can see, it's empty, aside from a very tall buoy. So it's a very, very special place, and because being so old, a lot of the animals here have a very kind of like prehistoric look to them. Some, to name a few, would be things like the cassowaries or the salties. Cassowaries are the most aggressive bird there is, and they kind of look like if a raptor and a turkey had a baby. And the saltwater crocodile is a 7-meter long crocodile that lives in the ocean and likes to eat people. So I'll be avoiding the ocean as much as I can. But yes, that's what we're going to hopefully find, and I'll document anything that we see on the way.
Here is an Azure Kingfisher, a bird where not everything is quite as it seems. Their deep blue colour that earned them the name is actually a facade. The bird is really a dull brown, but as the light bounces between the feathers, it gives them an iridescently blue appearance. Here wanders a lace monitor, or more commonly known as a goanna. These carnivores are not selective in their diet. If they can't find any frogs, snakes or reptiles in the undergrowth, they can use their fantastic climbing abilities to search the treetops for small birds or even eggs to eat. Over by the mangroves, there are other predators to be found. Rays have been swimming in Earth's waters for 150 million years. It is likely they existed in Daintree whilst dinosaurs still roamed this land. This ray is using its large body to dig up and feast on any small hiding crustacean. They need to dig far though, as even small crabs can be masters at burrowing. Crabs of much greater size still choose to hang close to their hidey holes. There are too many species here which value them as a tasty meal.
So I just spent the last hour sitting on one of the logs over that over that little kind of marshy area, just chilling, waiting to find either a croc or a cassowary or anything cool. There's the mud skippers, which I got nice footage of, just jumping around doing their thing. Mud skippers are quite cute. And then I saw I heard loads of noise, and I go and look, and it's this huge black shape, like the size of me, but fat. And I was thinking, oh great, here comes some man who's gonna scare away all the animals. And then it took me like 20 seconds to realize that wasn't a man, that was the cassowary. And I got a camera, I got the 3 worst photos you'll ever see of the cassowary before it ran away. And then I saw 3 more little ones, assuming it's children. The male cassowary looks after the young, So that would have been a big male, I think, with its 3 kids before, yeah, they got scared of me. So I hung around longer, trying to get a picture. They're too far away, where I was anyway, and it's not really safe to go close up, but I will go back and try again soon. But the tide's coming in, and that's my way in and out of this area, so I'm gonna try again tomorrow.
There are estimated to be only 4,000 cassowaries left in the wild, so finding this one with its 2 brown chicks is a real privilege. The indigenous people of the rainforest consider the cassowary to be the forest's fierce protector. But despite the bird's fighting spirit, there's one recent addition to the rainforest which the cassowary is no match for. With that being cars. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to see more.